Excuse me, can I ask you a quick question?
No, ask me a slow question. I don't understand quick question.
I mean, can I have your opinion?
No, you can have your own opinion.
What's your favorite track?
Railway track.
I mean, do you like music?
Yes, I face the music.
Are you single?
No, I am double. I have a front side and a back side.
How many hours of sleep do you get a night?
8 hours.
And what do you do during the remaining 16 hours?
I try to sleep.